Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use your browser or Google Play Store on VIVO V2023. And to do this, first thing, let's try to download something from a Google Play Store. And for example, let's go for Disney Plus. If we hit install, it changes into depending mode and it's stuck like this basically forever. We can cancel it for now and let's move on to our browser. And I'll be using Opera. And if we try to refresh any already open website or try to reach new one, we have this error. And to fix this, we need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and find System. Here, there's date and time settings, and make sure to set time automatically. If you go back to your Google Play Store and try to install the same app again, it should begin the download. And the same is with Opera, and we can refresh or try to reach a new website. And as you can see, it works fine now. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.